Sea cucumbers are some of the ocean's strangest animals. They belong to the echinoderms, the same group as starfish and sea urchins, but their soft, elongated bodies and bizarre adaptations make them stand out. Below are 10 of the most unusual species you can look up. I'll name each one and describe what makes it so visually striking. Sea pig. The sea pig looks exactly like its name suggests, a small, pink, pig-shaped animal walking across the deep ocean floor. Instead of hooves, it uses stubby tube feet to slowly crawl over muddy sediment. Sea pigs live in complete darkness, feeding on organic material that sinks from the surface. Their rounded bodies and waddling movement make them one of the most bizarre-looking animals ever filmed by deep-sea robots. Pineapple sea cucumber. The pineapple sea cucumber is instantly recognizable by its thick, armored body covered in spiky, pineapple-like bumps. These raised nodules act as protection from predators and give the animal a tough, almost prehistoric appearance. It usually rests on sandy reef bottoms, blending in surprisingly well despite its unusual shape. Sea apple. The sea apple looks more like a brightly colored balloon than an animal. With vivid reds, purples, and whites, it sits on the seafloor while extending feathery tentacles to capture plankton from the water. When threatened, sea apples can release sticky or toxic substances, making their beautiful appearance a clear warning to predators. Headless chicken sea cucumber. This deep-sea species earned its name because of its strange, floppy shape and translucent body. Unlike most sea cucumbers, it can actually swim, using wing-like structures to lift itself off the seabed. Its ghostly appearance and slow, floating movements make it look like something from another planet. UFO sea cucumber. The UFO sea cucumber drifts through deep water with a flat, umbrella-like body that looks nothing like a typical sea cucumber. Instead of crawling along the bottom, it swims and glides, using its wide body to stay suspended. Its unusual shape is an adaptation to life in the open deep ocean, where food is scarce. Gummy squirrel sea cucumber. The gummy squirrel sea cucumber looks soft, gelatinous, and almost toy-like, with a long tail that trails behind its body. It moves slowly across deep-sea sediments, feeding on organic debris. Its jiggly texture and exaggerated shape give it one of the strangest silhouettes in the deep ocean. Leopard sea cucumber. The leopard sea cucumber is named for its bold, spotted pattern, which resembles the coat of a big cat. Found on coral reefs and sandy bottoms, it often appears motionless during the day. When disturbed, it can release sticky defensive threads, making it both visually striking and surprisingly well defended. Across reefs and the deep sea, sea cucumbers serve key ecological roles. They recycle nutrients by ingesting sediment and organic matter, aerate seabeds, and help maintain healthy substrates for other animals. What looks odd or off-putting to us is often a brilliant adaptation to extreme environments. Transparency for camouflage in the dark, bright colors for warning or camouflage among corals, unusual shapes for buoyancy or slow swimming.